Become confident in core Java. In this series, we are going to explore the fundamentals of Java, from the basics to intermediate concepts. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your Java skills, you're at the right place. Let's start with the basics. What is programming? Well, it's like giving instructions to a computer, telling it what to do. Programming is the language we use to communicate with machines, and Java is an excellent language for this purpose. It is flexible, powerful, and widely used across different domains. Why should you learn Java? Good question. Java is practically everywhere. It's the backbone of web development, it's the primary language for Android app development, and it's the go-to choice for building robust enterprise-level applications. Plus, Java has a massive supportive community. There are plenty of resources available for learning Java, making it an ideal language for beginners. Let's look at what we'll be covering in this course. Java basics such as variables, data types, operators, control flow statements, object-oriented programming concepts such as classes, objects, methods, inheritance, etc. We'll be working with strings and arrays. Basics of exception handling. We'll also learn about Java collection framework at a beginner level. Now, when it comes to coding along with me, you might be wondering about setting up a development environment. Well, the good news is you don't need to worry about that just yet. We are going to use an online IDE for our coding exercises. This way, you can follow along without the hassle of installing anything locally. As we wrap up our first video, I want to leave you with this thought. Mastering Java is not just about learning a programming language. It's about building a foundation that will empower you to explore a world of possibilities in the vast field of computer science. By the end of this course, you won't just be a Java programmer. So consider this course not just as an end, but as a beginning to a journey where you can confidently watch and tackle any other course. I'm excited to be your guide on this journey, and I can't wait to see what you'll achieve. For more such content, subscribe to our channel. Soulful Techie signing off.